Hello, in this video I want to show you how to equip emotes in Dark and Darker. To do this, first we'll need to click on the Customize, navigate to the emotes, then you can find all of the emotes right here and put them on the wheel slot. For example, I'm gonna put the surrender right here. You can also find a lobby emotes and add them as well right here, and they will display in the lobby. Now to call out the emote wheel either in the lobby or in game, by default you will need to press on the T. You can find also the shortcut button right here, and when you press on it the wheel should open, and now you need to select the emote you want to perform. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.